Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Steam tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to calculate the value of your inventory. And this is quite simple. But for this we need to prepare something before. For this we first switch to Steam, go to our profile name and click on Profile. Here we select Edit Profile. For calculating our inventory value we need our Steam ID. If you haven't entered your own Steam ID here yet, you can copy it down below. Now we change to the private settings and set our profile to public. This is necessary so that the tool can access our inventory. Now we go to Steam.Tools and select the item value sorter. Up here we can enter our Steam ID and click on Fetch. Now you can see all the items that are in your inventory under Steam. This usually contains all the game cards. If you want to view other items, such as CSGO crates, select the appropriate icon and click on Fetch again. And as you can see, it shows my 1000 CSGO crates. There are a few more features here, such as factoring in fees or only showing cards that you own multiple times. You can also switch between grid mode and table mode. The value of your inventory is shown here and is separated for all of these icons. So you won't see the value of your whole inventory, but at least for every category. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.